Everybody, and welcome to Ayesha's Unique Cuisine Demand, a platform dedicated towards the cooking of global cuisines. So if this sounds appealing to you, kindly subscribe and share the video for more content. So today we're gonna make some nice peppered or nice shrimp sauce, and the ingredients for this is we need some shrimp. You can use the king prawns if you prefer, some coconut oil, herbal salts, cayenne pepper, chili powder, ground black pepper, fennel seeds, some turmeric, curry powder, garam masala powder, one size or one large onion, some rosemary, 2 large carrot that has been deskinned and cut into a circular shape, some hot scotch bonnet mix. I'll put a link of my mix in the description, and some lemon, 1 lemon. We just need half of this. Start off with the marinade for the shrimp. So I'm gonna put my herbal salt in here, herbal salt, my chili powder for the color and taste, a quarter of a teaspoon of ground black pepper, of turmeric powder, or a teaspoon of curry powder. This is what we have, guys. I'm just gonna use a spoon to incorporate this in well so that it gets the crevices of the shrimp is well coated. I'm going to also add in my scotch bonnet mix just to give it that, peppery taste. This is what we have, and we're gonna set this aside to marinate for approximately, let's say, 20 minutes. The recipe, we need some ginger, garlic, and onion mixture like this, or paste. So let's proceed with the cooking, shall we? We have a frying pan on fire. Just gonna put in some coconut oil, allow this to melt. So this is going some melts. It's very meltable. Putting some fennel seeds in the oil, coconut oil. Goes my brunoise size onions. Say this for approximately, let's say, 5 minutes, so it's nice and translucent. Meanwhile, I'm just gonna incorporate in some rosemary here, infusion of flavor. Incorporating 1 teaspoon of garam masala. I'm going to incorporate in my scotch bonnet mix, so I have 2 cans. Just gonna add this in. The base will get nice and spicy before I introduce the shrimp. Guys, I'm just gonna equally incorporate in the carrot because it's very hot. So yeah, at this stage we incorporate it in. Just keep mixing this for some 5 minutes, so it softens up a bit before we introduce the shrimp. In this with our herbal salt a bit. So you check this periodically as you don't want your onions to burn. So now you can gently introduce in the seasoned shrimp as well. So now we just incorporating everything nicely, so the shrimp is nice and beautiful pink. Have a closer look. At this point, I'm just gonna move the shrimp back, incorporating the mixture, ginger, garlic, onion mixture. Do some chemistry here. We're just gonna try and you mix this, and then we'll gradually incorporate in everything. ginger, garlic, onion. That is to create some sort of sauce around the shrimp. Yeah. At this point, we're gonna introduce in lemon, the juice. Oh dear. Just mix everything now nicely. Guys, this is what we have. I hope you like the recipe. Give me a thumbs up, like, don't forget to subscribe and share for more content. Thank you.